Alright, just stay calm, everything will be alright.
But if Emmy's just died, what are we gonna do? Like, we're just doing
everything will be okay, just relax. We're having emergency response vehicles sent over there as we speak.
If this was you, and you were on the ground, I want you to think about how your family would feel if we had to send you to the Suffolk County Medical Examiner's office and they couldn't see you and they couldn't prepare for your funerals until procedures were done. We do what we do to save and try to keep you guys safe. We try to save your lives every day when we respond to these accidents. These volunteers, they get out of bed at 2 o'clock in the morning on Christmas morning. They get out of the bed at 4 o'clock in the morning on Thanksgiving Eve because all you guys are out clubbing and you've been drinking and you've had an accident. This happens, folks, every single day.
We have a 17-year-old female, secondary MVA, traumatic arrest.
Time we start our